That's Sex Beat by the Gun Club. If you're not familiar with the Gun Club, they're a really cool band from basically the early '80s, punk with a kind of rockabilly influence, maybe. They're just a great band. I got one other. I did a cover of a song uh, of theirs. But this one is probably their most famous song. It's called "Sex Beat," and it's kind of a high dance song, high tempo song. All right, it starts out on F. Jerry's got a monkey's shine on his lips. Tina's got a tiger in her hips. It's got lyrics like that. Alright, so F, A, alright, and I'm just playing an F power chord, just on strings 6 and 5. A power chord. So here's F is a 6th string, 1st fret, and 5th string, 3rd fret. A is open and 2nd fret on the D. And then E, open E is the next chord. It's open 6th string, 5th string on the 2nd fret. And then I'm just going to this little G shape. It's not really a power chord technically, but that's how we're playing it. Just like the top part of your G chord. So it's our finger's already on the A string at the 2nd fret for the E. So we just place our ring finger on the 3rd string for the G. Alright, and that's the first chunk. F, A. You'll notice when I'm playing the A, I'm kind of muting this string with the E, the low E with my thumb. You don't have to get it all the way over it, just so your thumb touches it. All right, F, A. This is the verse. Oh, and then when it goes to the chorus. Alright, we're playing an A chord. And they move. Sex beat. So what we're doing here is just playing an A, but we're sliding into it from the 1st fret. You could also, if that slide is difficult, you could also probably just hammer on. So we're going to play open. It's a little different sound, but I don't think anyone's going to notice. Alright, we're just holding down strings 4, 3, and 2 at the 2nd fret. For that. And then for the B, we're just holding down the same strings. And we're just playing strings 4, 3, 2. So you're really just your A shape that you learn when you start playing, when you start learning chords. You could also do you're like this on the G. You could do a power chord slide and hit the A like that. They're not, I don't think it's played like that, but I don't think anyone would notice. And then, so you're 5, 7 for the A, sliding up. Then 7, 9 for the B. And then he says, sex beat, drop, and then they play it. They play that. And then I think it repeats. Sex Beat by the Gun Club. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.